Alright y'all, I went ahead and got these smokers knocked out. I know I didn't show a whole lot on this video. It's mostly just getting tables and stuff on that other one and doors and stuff. But I went ahead and got everything done on them, got them ready to go. And I was going to show them right quick, let you take a look at them. They're the same size smoker. One's offset, traditional offset, and one is reverse flow. This is traditional offset. And he wanted cutouts on the sides of them. And a burner on the side. He wanted that in the temp port. This one has the 8-inch wheels. He wanted those. Texas Tech Cowboys cutout. And this is the other one. This one is for sale. I'm going to do another separate video on it to go through it and put it up for sale. But it has foldable tables on it. And it's reverse flow. It can be used as a grill also. Firebox has two vents on it. Let me get the doors opened up. We'll take a look at the inside.
Pressed it.
All right, you can see it has a coal basket in there. Ash pan in the firebox. They have two racks. This one has tuning plates. The traditional offset, it comes with tuning plates, and there's a coal rack up under there for grilling. And you don't have to use the plates, they just come with it. And the way they're set right there right now is how I like to use them a lot of times. And there's different things you can do with them. Once you get to using them, you start figuring out different stuff you would like to do with them. And this one is basically the same on the inside, except the plates are set up in reverse flow fashion in this one. That's where you would come all the way to over there. The heat would come up right there. And if you wanted to direct grill, you can see there's a coal rack under there. You would just remove those and open this vent on the side over here to cause your flow to go that way. You can see, I guess you can see in there, the smoke collector pipe is coming right above the bottom rack and right below the top rack. That way both racks are getting the smoke pulled across them. But that'll do it on these. This one has the wagon wheel set up with the casters on the front. The wagon wheels have bed liner on them. So anyway, that'll do it on this video. I'm gonna come back and do another one of this one to have it up for sale and everything. So like I say, that'll do it on this one. If you're new to the channel, please like and subscribe. I've got that trailer one pulled back over here right now, so I'm getting going on it. And I think a 40-inch version of this right here. So if you're new to the channel, please like and subscribe. Y'all come back for the next one. If you're interested in this pit, be on the lookout for the next video. It should be up right after this one. We'll see you next time, man.